Welcome to my channel, and today we're going to Shing Mun Reservoir or the Pineapple Dam. So tara! It's very tempting to offer food to these cute animals, but under the Wild Animals Protection Ordinance here in Hong Kong, it is very prohibited to give or to feed monkeys or any wildlife animals. So don't do it. Good morning. And then nagdala siya baby niya. Oh.
Pwede ka mga anak.
Ay, ang cute.
黐落去嘅，一揦落去嘅，揦落去嘅，冇車嘅。
Diba ang auntie? Oh? Nagdidit siya. Ayaw siya. Ay siya sariling earth. Ang tarutian na siya, baby.
非常好彩啦，好彩。
Let's go.
係，
To get here from MTR TsuenWan station, you have to exit at B1 and then walk across the bridge over Castle Peak Road and then through to Shouwo Street, where you'll find a minibus 82, and then this will take you directly to the start of the Shing Mun Reservoir walk. Ikaw na niya. Hello. High-tech ilang paypay dari. Kumaypay na dati yan. This dam was built as part of the Shing Mun water supply scheme formulated in 1923 to meet the increasing demand for fresh water due to the urbanization of Kowloon. Pero sa reality, wala naman talaga tayong pakialam kung sino ang nagtayo nito at bakit ito tinayo. Ang atin lang is puntahan ito. Kaya mananahimik na ako. Nindot kay pagasiminto, ilangan ko ang best. Dijut magkuan landslide rig kuan. Basta-basta kay vertically go no, sakto kay pagasiminto, guys. Bukid na kay ni ha.
Bukid pero grabe kayong kuan.
Bukid
Talikon sa ilang minuto.
napay tiglimpyo, napa sila kuan hardinero dari.
Diri na lang ka ta mga play.
Tigbisag tigibot ng tagsagbot unta. A good choice of a long hike. This place is a picture perfect place. And regardless of your experience or level of fitness, this trail along the dam is very great. Yes, you can see this place is very relaxing and you can really experience its natural beauty along the bank in this reservoir. Also, there are many picnic and rest spots on the trail for you to stop and take a break in case you feel exhausted or you feel very tired. You can take rest for a Overall, while. I can say this place is very particularly beautiful and fresh air. And it is also possible to see many troops of monkey over this area and also along the picnic sites.
Nagantay sila. May dragon.
Isog na kay sa tiyan, no? Tawa sa tiyan, na steak dala. Normally, monkeys won't harass you if you don't offer them food. When there are monkeys nearby, please remain calm, avoid holding food or plastic bags in your hands. Hindi kanya naanuhin kung hindi mo sila aanuhin. Period. But sometimes wild animals are so unpredictable, kaya umiwas ka na lang at huwag kang magbigay ng pagkain sa kanila. Yung sinasabi ko na this place is a picture perfect place, yes po. Ito, sinishare ko sa inyo yung mga kuha ko mismo. Napakaganda. Ako lang yung hindi maganda. Hindi naman sa pagmamayabang pero gusto ko talagang magyabang na ako talaga kumuha nito. 'Di ba? Ang galing ko. Self-appreciation ika nga. Wala nang ibang mag-a-appreciate sa'yo kundi ang sarili mo kaya itodo mo na. Ang ganda ng lugar na 'to. Kahit balik-balikan mo ng ilang beses, napakaganda talaga. Hindi lang pang picture, kundi yun bang parang gusto mong mag-divert or gusto mong mag-isip, gusto mong mapag-isa, gusto mong kalimutan ng lahat, pati yung mga inutangan mo at yung mga taong nangutang sa'yo, pumunta ka sa lugar na 'to. Siguradong gagaan ang pakiramdam mo. Sa mga nandito sa Hong Kong, puntahan niyo na 'to, ang ganda, sobra, proven, promise. Thank you guys for watching my videos and for supporting my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do. It really means so much to me. Thank you.